Hi guys, today I want to show you what I purchased from Amazon, and it's this intake vent cover for the Tesla Model 3. So here's a closer look at the grill itself. It's made out of ABS plastic. It's fairly well made, and he has a 3M adhesive that goes around the grill itself to be glued on. So what this grill does is tries to prevent little small items from getting into the intake, which is located right here under this cover. Not really sure why Tesla hasn't installed one themselves. I guess you can argue this is a grill that prevents any loose small particles from getting in. However, as you can see here, it's still fairly large, and leaves and such can still sip through. So what I'll do is I'll take this apart, pull this up, and show you guys how to install this. So for the purpose of the video, I've already taken this off, but what I'll show you is where the exact clips are on. It's held on by these little white plastic clips that snap on to this bowl here. So what you want to do is just pull apart and eventually all around the circumference of this piece. There's 12 clips in total, and they just pop right off. So again, I've already pulled it off. This is what it looks like underneath, and I want to show you the locations of the clip. Alright, now with the grill off, you can see what it actually looks like in here. There's not really a cover for the cabin filter intake, and this is where this piece comes in. It literally just fits on top. It's stuck on by the 3M tape all around, and it should hold in place. But let's take a look to see if there's any debris that went into the grill itself right now. So let's dive in. Ooh, I can see that there are leaves, small particles in there that made itself in there. So what I'll do is I'll clean this up, wipe this down before installing that piece. All right, so you can see here, I'm just gonna start peeling and stick this on. Perfect fit, and yeah, I think we're good. All right, now the grill's installed. The last item is to put this back. So if you line up the pins to the holes all around, it'll just snap back in place. So that's it. And there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll put a link below to the item that I purchased from Amazon, and feel free to comment and ask any questions you have. Have a great day. Thanks.